Welcome to episode 5A of the Do It Faster with DFFS video series. In the last video, we configured our edit form using AI, which was the beta version of MDFFS. I'm going to show you how to do the same things with the older version of MDFFS, and I'll even show you a trick that lets you use AI with the older version of MDFFS. Here's our list with Donald X Duck as our employee. He's going to be a site owner. Let's go configure the edit form. And we'll preview it so you can see we've got the labels above the fields. We're going to go into the Miscellaneous tab. This is set out a little differently than the 2.x Miscellaneous tab, so you may have to hunt a little more, but if we go down far enough, we will find show an icon to the left of the field label. So we'll say yes to that. Here's show option to quick save the form without closing it. We'll turn that on. Here's show button to turn on automatic saving in the footer of the form. We'll turn that on. Just like we did last time, we'll turn autosave on. We'll set our time. I'll make it 5 seconds this time. Last video I did 3. And then the only thing we still need to do is to make our labels go above. We want to put our labels to the left of the fields. We can't do that in the Miscellaneous tab with 1.x. We have to go into each field and set the label position to left. So it's a little more work, but it is just as doable. Let's see how many of them I got. Oh, I still need to go from department down. I've got the field labels moved. The form is wider than we want, so I'll show you my next trick, and that is I'll go into the column container and change it from 12 columns to 6 columns. And let's see what that looks like. Now the only thing we're missing is our banner, and to do that, we're going to insert a HTML section by going here and saying add above, and then choosing HTML section. And then I'm going to select the properties and put some code in there. There's my code. And let's preview our form. Very nice. I had AI create this code for that banner with a prompt that said, create an HTML div to create a banner that reads New Employee Onboarding. Give it a solid medium blue background. I'll let you read that yourself. This is the prompt I gave to AI that knows nothing about DFFS, but it knows about HTML. We left our other form without showing icons, so we'll turn those off. We'll save this. We'll go ahead and exit, and let's see how this edit form works now. Donald X. Duck, site owner. We're going to edit this record. Here's our nice form. We decide we want him to be a developer instead of a site owner, and we learned that his middle initial is F, not X. You notice we have our Save and Exit button down at the bottom right, along with a Quick Save button. I'm not clicking it, I'm just showing it to you. Autosave is on, and you may have seen the little circle just a second ago. I'm going to pretend that I forgot to save my form after filling it out. So I'm just going to cancel, but you notice that because of the autosave, Donald's name, middle initial was corrected, and his job title was corrected. That's it for this episode. Come back next episode when we start talking about rules to add automation to the form.